Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to change touchpad cursor speed in Windows 10. If on your Windows 10 machine, the touchpad cursor is too sensitive or too slow, you can increase the touchpad cursor speed according to your needs. Fortunately, Windows 10 includes native settings that allow you to change the touchpad cursor speed if it's moving too fast or too slow. Sometimes, your touchpad doesn't cover enough area in a single stroke. In such a case, you need to swipe again to make it across your desktop. Fortunately, using Windows 10 built-in settings app, you can adjust your touchpad cursor speed. Here is how to do it. How to adjust touchpad cursor speed in Windows 10. To change or adjust touchpad cursor speed in Windows 10, first, open Windows 10 settings using Windows +I hotkey or any other method you prefer to use. Then, click the Devices in Windows Settings. Under Devices, choose Touchpad in the left sidebar. On the right side of the touchpad settings, use the slider to increase or decrease the touchpad cursor speed. Please note, by default, Microsoft set its value to 5. That's it. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more giveaways? Subscribe to our channel, GearUpWindows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.